Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dressytreats. Today, I will show you how to make fish patties. You will need 500 grams flour, 200 grams chilled butter, 120 milliliters iced water. First, add cold butter into the flour. Then crumble flour and butter. Add iced water little by little and make a hard, unsticky dough. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Flatten the dough into a sheet of 1/4 inch thickness. Cut the dough into a circular shape. Keep the fish filling in the middle of the dough. You can find the link to our fish filling recipe in the description box below. Press the sides to seal it well. Using a fork is helpful here. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Prepare the egg wash using an egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of milk. Egg wash the patties and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you next time with another delicious recipe.